That's kind of scary.
They're just getting in position.
Watch your head and watch your feet.
Watch your head. Great.
Watch your hair, then your feet.
Will she let Grandma go in front of you so she can go to Grandma? Oh, me first? No, you first.
Hold on, it's yeah.
They can only take 5 over there. You know where that leaves us.
Go ahead, guys.
I'm fine. It's okay. You're lucky. Hopefully never again.
So great. It was nice talking to her.
Watch your head, watch your feet. Yeah. Let them
By the time
go first. You're okay. Other people might not be. You're halfway there.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
That's fine.
All right, sweetie. Watch this. Okay. Watch your head. Oh, no. Is that going to do what that Iron Man says? Step over. Jump all the way. There you go. Good job. Come on. Make room, please. Head check, foot check.
Last man standing.
I guess so.
Thanks so much.
Normal.
Thank you.
You bet.
Ahí está atrás.
Get everybody good?
Not everybody?
Okay. Everybody else has to stay on the other. Hey, Larry. I'm going to attempt to shut this door here. Just, I mean, not all the way, but it's partially closed. I'm closing this one. Oh, you want me to raise the switch up? Okay, switch is closed, James. I don't know. Oh, there you go. Okay. Oh, open. Okay.
All right. How's it going?
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you. You're going to lift it up first? All right. Watch out. You want the thing here?
Everybody's taking pictures.
Give you a little more protection.
The rest.
Ready? Yeah. Okay, here it comes. 1, 2, 3.
It didn't shut.
Hold on.
Open your...
Ready? Okay, watch out. Move your hands. Yep. Ready? Okay.
Better. A little better.
I think we're there.
Good enough. We'll take it.
Yeah. Listen, please. Shh. It's latched. Okay.
All right. We ready?
Okay. Let's go.
Let's go.
Sure.
Don't look at me. I don't care.
You need to go front too?
Somebody push up.
No, he'll get it.
Watch out, sweetie.
He's got it.
There we go.
Okay, that's not a good feeling. Is he going down? Oh, God. You got
There we go.
me. All righty.
Hold on a minute.
He's on top of us now.
Yeah, he's on top.
Yeah.
Hey, James. We're going up and inspect all the way, right?
Yeah, it's going to be about a 5 to 10 minute ride.
Okay.
Okay.
Anybody know any good songs?
Oh. Somebody asked earlier too. We've already gone to the songs.
Oh, yeah?
And the states.
We've been through that once.